Okay, the next yo-yo is just right here, and it looks like we got a catfish on. He's not a very big one. Yeah, he's just a little fella. But he's actually a good eating size. I'm using circle hooks, and they almost always catch a fish right in the corner of the mouth. Notice how this guy's caught right here in the corner. You hardly ever have a fish gut hooked where you got to dig the hook out, or you have to abandon the hook because it's down the fish's gullet. And they're a wonderful invention. There we go, nice little channel cat. Okay, we got another catfish on. Swing around and get the sun out of your face. A lot of these guys have probably been on. Some of them may have been on as long as since midnight, so they've been on here 5-6 hours. And so a lot of them are going to be tired out unless they've been caught just in the last hour or so. You can usually tell when a catfish has been on a yo-yo most of the night because he'll be kind of exhausted. He'll tend to be up toward the surface and won't have a whole lot of fight left in him. Oh, yeah, it's a nice one. Yeah. Boys and girls, that right there's a catfish. Again, he's hooked in the lip, not quite the corner of the mouth. It sure beats trying to dig a little treble hook out of their throat. Oh yeah, another nice cat. This guy's resting. He's pulled up about an inch or so of his nose up out of the water because he's tired. He's been fighting this yo-yo all night. Always try to use a landing net because sometimes these guys will just barely be hooked, especially crappie, because they've got real easy to tear them out, and you go lift them out of the water and don't have a net underneath them just as a safety, you're liable to see your fish just drop in the water and be gone. So he has twisted this net up. There we go. Another nice channel. That's a good size one there too. Not too big to fillet and process, but a lot of meat on one like that. Okay, we've got another nice channel. This guy looks like he's a little tuckered out. He may have a little fight left in him. Some nice ones this morning. If you get anything much larger than this on the yo-yo, it starts getting a little problematic as to whether you're going to hold him all night, because a big cat can tear a yo-yo up. But you need a limb with a little bit of give but still strong, and a little give in your limb acts as a shock absorber to the yo-yo. Another nice cat. see my next yo-yo, and we have definitely got a fish on. There we go. That's not a bad channel cat at all. Hooked right in the corner of the mouth. Some circle hook. Not very happy. Okay. Let's see the next yo-yo, and guess what? We've got another fish still. And it's getting crazy. Not been on here very long. He's pretty feisty. Beautiful cat. He's talking to us, and notice again, corner of the mouth. That's what it's all about. Like we have something on this one. Oh, a little bigger than that. Thought I was going to be letting him go. There we go. Another nice cat. He was determined to wrap, twist the net, and all the heck. There we go. They've all been, well, most of them I've been catching have been about this size, and those are nice.